speed, then we go.
Yeah.
My category.
That's the main purpose actually, you know.
Hanji Bhaji, welcome back. When things go wrong, you learn something and you try something. That's what I did with this video, you know, in creating and editing it in a different way. Let's see how it goes. What is up, my dear dreamers? I hope you are living your great, wonderful life that you all wanted. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Dharani Krishna, you know, currently vlogging from Bangalore, heading towards Hoggenakkal, and yes, in this hot weather. You might be wondering why there is no noise, such, you know, like horns or wind or any traffic sounds. I'm actually using a complete noise cancellation mic.
अब तो सच बोल दे भोसड़ी.
Generally, I do this.
Mic testing, check.
The day plan was to start by 7 and then 8. I was late and we started somehow by 9. And in that hurry, I missed checking the mic. In general, you know, there's story behind everything. Same goes in this trip as well.
Oh, you see this guy? Praise the Lord.
He's been planning for a day out from like what, 8 months? And it never happened so far. And now is the peak time because she's getting married this month and we had to take this trip even though it's freaking hot towards Tamil Nadu. And why particularly Hoggenakkal? We all have our reasons.
See this guy? I was very much wanting from many months to just get inside water. Like, see this guy?
After having parota and fish curry.
That is why I came
That's why I came here.
the main purpose actually. Fish curry and parrot. See this guy?
And our final character, she had no idea about this place.
Your South Indian destination. How's the weather? Amazing, isn't it? Hold this, no? No, full tank. हाँ कितना है 110 ना 111
Hanji Bhaji, one more simple sort of travel tip. If anyone planning from Bangalore and early morning rides or something and looking for a breakfast stop, Hosur is the place where, you know, you find multiple hotels, especially, you know, idli sambar. We tried this place and it's pretty delicious.
We'll for speed, then we go.
Yeah.
My category.
So this basically is the entrance to the main falls area. The first thing we are doing after getting here is to have food and then decide what to do. Parota and fish is like crazy combination. Done with our food. It's like what? Not even 400 bucks. So man is going to change his apparel. Yeah, in case if you didn't bring any swimwear or anything as such, so you'll be able to find all these stores here, just exactly opposite to the entrance. And then there are washrooms. You don't have any change rooms. There are like men and women restrooms over there. You can go and change there. Then I'll go use washroom and I'll come. Now heading for the proper speciality of Hoggenakkal. Basically a coracle ride through the waterfalls. That's what this place is actually famous and so basically you'll have some ticket counters. So we are actually kind of skipping the boating part as of now and going towards the main falls area. This main falls area. Chalo. Here is the falls, man. What the fuck, look at that uncle here taking bath with soap and all. I'm crazy, man. I really have to put on my mask. Achha, this place is famous for massages and all, man. Body massage, oil massage, head massage, thigh massage, everything you get here. Without happy ending, okay? What the heck? Okay, done. Me though, like first time I've seen that place. Every time I come, I directly go to the bridge, see that, and then go for boating. First time I got to know that there are people taking baths. So that's the waterfall what we have just gone through. The whole water is, that stream is passing through here. Where we saw that uncle who was taking bath on with soap.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
So we have found finally this hanging bridge. Oh, even this is kind of crowded, man. This place is pet friendly. There are some pets. No bridge ticket, ah? Okay. I wish they don't snatch my GoPro. So this is the place where we have just been. This is the view towards the left side of the hanging bridge. So done with the hanging bridge part, let's go to the boating. So here there is actually one more specialty of this place is, you can actually order fish thali to these local aunties. So this place, this area where the moment you enter into the main falls area, left side if you come, there will be a lot of open kitchens basically. So here they're gonna freshly cook fish curry and rice here, and it will take about 2 hours. You just give order, go to boating and get back here. By the time your food also will be ready. So that is what another experience you can feel. We never did that so far because every time we come here, we are always in a hurry. Even now the same situation. My guys are waiting. Chalo, let's go. Chalo. Either you get a driver from outside, or at this booking counter they're gonna send you a Hoggenakkal driver. This is like what, stopping number 1. So first Hoggenakkal stop here. We need to walk a little. So these guys are gonna carry the Hoggenakkal on their head and they're gonna walk through this way. So it's like crazy. Good news, they're basically allowing the pets also in the Hoggenakkals. Okay. We walked for about like what, 200 meters or something, and again water.
Jesus Christ.
अन्ना वेंडा अन्ना
बस हवा निकल गई
अन्ना पराठा अन्ना yeah, floating markets. 100 feet. Ask him once. This is like what? 100 feet. Yeah. We are at this island. Yeah, you can technically call this as an island, or even that, with some beach area with some sand which is hot. And yes, we both got on here. He wants to play in water, and we still are going for another ride. And by the way, that is Karnataka border, and the similar boat office will be there here as well, Karnataka. Let me see in Google Maps where exactly is this location, man. Okay, yes, that really is a Karnataka border. That's it. This is where I'm going to end the vlog here. This is like what, final spot of this Hoggenakkal Falls specialty. Yes, you'll be reaching to this island type of a place where the Hoggenakkals will be stopped at the bank. You can get down and swim or have some, fish fry or some food, and then spend some peaceful time. As of now it's not full because it's crowded just a little, even though it's very hot. And the temperature here is right now, it's 37 degrees, dude. It's 37 degrees. So what, you know the drill, This is the time I reached. Look at this, low battery, it's not turning on. And lucky me, this actually happened like literally 50 meters to my home. Just fucking imagine this thing happened like some time back, somewhere in those Ghat roads or somewhere. Fuck, it's literally unimaginable.